be the white lion. Second, hyena. Third, canopy trail. Fourth will be the fountain. Fifth, tiger. And the last one will be the garden. Okay. And just a friendly reminder, please avoid using flash photography lang po.
Okay.
Okay na, are we all set? Wala na habilin?
All set!
We're night safari, guys. Try this. No. Night safari, guys.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving. Secure your hold on the grab bars and avoid using flash photography. Lastly, please don't try to extend your fingers outside the truck. Ben and Ken.
Oh my gosh!
Mo na yung duha?
Yes, sir.
Was dako mo to ganina to si kinsa to katong
Si Max and Jack Bugoy. Si Max and Jack, dagko sila ng taon, sir, pero kung kuanon gud is mas dagko ning duha.
mo ba?
Oo, maybe soon. Maglahi ra gisa ka babae, gisa ka lalaki. Hyenas are scavengers, so they are fond of the leftovers of the other predators. And by the way, there are 4 types of hyenas. Yes. The Arred Wolf, Striped, Spotted, and the Brown Hyenas. The one that you saw in the movie Lion King, those are the Spotted Hyenas or the Laughing Hyenas. Kani siya mga lion pag daghan ang hyena.
Oh, wow. What a night safari. Amazing. We're like in Dakwan. Galaxy Unite.
Sorry, this is not left, this is right.
Safari, safari.
Wait, how's he awake? Is he also nocturnal?
Yeah. It's like lion.
Sama siya manok?
Yes, sir.
Oh, puas manok.
Bro, there's more food there.
Busog ka ni.
Come on.
Oy, 8 kilo ka doon.
Mayroon sila na kay pero ang sa gabi, nag-lights. Lights. Can we see the phone? No. I'm Lida.
The green light is here.
Yung tukuan ba sa butay lang,
The heart. What heart?